That's Hudson and Peter. This is a 20,000 towel celebration string. It's composed of 1 5/8 crackers by 11/16. Is that right? 11/16? No. It's 1 5/8 inch long, 11/32 diameter. This is 20,000 towel, which is not the real number. Why do they call it 20,000 towels? There's not 20,000 firecrackers.
廠長，你話嗰啲2萬頭係咪真係裏邊真係2萬隻啊？冇2萬隻㗎。佢但係點解要叫2萬頭喎
It's an old Chinese way of counting, I believe.
炮彈對表幾多個？架仔對表幾多個？炮仔幾多個講㗎？佢話你點解會寫2萬頭？點解會寫2萬頭？傳統叫法。個傳統叫俾佢哋啫。
You know, 100 towel.
一個炮彈唔知點解幾多我唔清楚。Oh, that's traditional.
I know, but 100 towel has 48 crackers. 100, number 148.
呢個間仔對俾幾多個？個炮彈對俾幾多個？佢哋呢就湊埋。佢係一個代表48個㗎。
See if you can get the way she's tying the celebration string. She's making that tie about every 6 inches.
Okay.
She's making Clipper brand. This is where VJ Tovat got the original for his Clipper Fireworks company in Los Angeles, California. This is the famous Clipper ship of Clipper brand fireworks in Los Angeles, which later became the Red Devil Fireworks. In this factory in 1957, and we're going to go in, and Mr. Wu is going to go on one of the machines and sit down and opening the door now. These are all the machines, the tube tightening machines. And what do they call them again, Michael? Chohoke. Chohoke. Mr. Falk, you have to get me one of these. There's Mr. Falk using the Chohoke. Okay. Bricks of tiger. It's 100,000 towel room. There's even a larger string. This is, I think, a 300,000 towel. How many days does it take them to make one of those? I mean, how many do they make in a day, Michael? 300,000 towel. I'm in the fireworks business. This is the braiding of the crackers. They've been doing this by hand like this for generations.
所以咪品啲鞭炮仔好頻密㗎。係啊，嗰啲七彩嗰啲紅油啊，咁咪仲有手有啊。